the crypto space is not encouraging this day, and there have been a lot of ups and downs, and there are a lot of bearishness going on right now in the crypto space. And as a newbie, if care is not taken, you will keep on incurring losses day by day instead of you making profits. So for this reason, I find out a simple strategy that I use personally to minimize my risk while trading crypto, and I also find a simple strategy I also use to maximize my profit even right in the bear market. So right on this update, I'll be guiding you through the step-by-step guide on how you can minimize your risk and maximize your profit while trading crypto in the year 2025 and presently. So the first thing we have to do is actually very easy. You have to decide on the crypto exchanger, on the crypto broker you want to use to carry out your trading. In my own case, I do make use of my Bybit in most cases. And right here, this is my Bybit dashboard. Right here, you are going to see today has really been a good day for crypto. And we have from Trump coin, Solana coin, NIC, X Empire, BNB, BTC, ETH, everything right now is currently green. So this is a very good sign, but this doesn't mean we can actually make a lot of profits. But with this strategy I'm about referring to you, like I said, we can minimize our risk and maximize our profit level. So I'm going to be guiding you through step by step. Remember, this is not a financial advice. What I'm showing you right here doesn't guarantee 100% return. You can actually make profit and you can actually incur some losses. My result doesn't guarantee you having the same result, so be very aware of that. Just follow the simple strategy I'm about referring to you, and you can decide to make much more research on your own. This is not a financial advice, okay? So the first thing we have to do right here is for us to select the coin we want to be trading on. Right here, I will use about 2 to 3 crypto coins to show you the sample. So for example, let's go for Solana. This is Solana right here, and as you can see, Solana is trading at 131.99 USDT presently. And if you can see right here, we have the resistance of Solana at this point. This is it right here, 137.49 US dollar. 137.49 US dollar. This is where we have the resistance of Solana. And if you come right here, we have the support at 130.67 US dollar. So meaning right now, based on my strategy, if I want to purchase my Solana right now, I will wait for this Solana to break through this support. This is the support right here, 130.67. If Solana can break through this support of 130.67, then I can now prepare to purchase Solana. I can decide to purchase Solana at the rate of 125, 128, or somewhere around exact 130. This is 130 sharp right here. So if I want to purchase, I can buy at 130 sharp, or I buy somewhere around 125 to around 129. So that is the strategy. Just wait for the support to cross that line. Once the support can cross this line and you are seeing around 128 to 129, then this is a good time for one to buy your Solana. Okay, so that's for Solana. And right now I will take you to another coin. This time around, let's go for this coin called NIC. NIC is a very awesome coin, but this guy hasn't really been doing well lately. So as you can see right here, this guy is trading at 11.4 US dollar, 11.4 US dollar, and we have the resistance at 12.09 US dollar, and the support is sitting at 11.4 US dollar. So if I want to buy this guy right now, I will just target this guy at somewhere around 11 US dollar sharp, or I can buy around 10 US dollar, 10.5 US dollar. So I'll just wait patiently for NIC coin to drop to around 10.5, 10.6, 10.7, then I can purchase it. So that is the strategy. This strategy, you don't have to be in a hurry. Just be patient and let the particular coin you are trading on to break through the support, then you can now take action once it breaks through that particular support. So I'm going to be showing you the next coin, which is going to be the last I will show you right on this update. And for this, I will go for BNB. This is BNB right here. BNB is trading at 619.8 US dollar. And we have BNB support right here on 616. This is 616 right here. That is the support. And we have the resistance at 628 US dollar. So if you want to buy BNB right now, if I'm buying, for example, I've just target BNB at somewhere around 615, 614, 610. Once it's able to break below this support of 616 US dollar, then I can prepare to purchase BNB. You see, it is a very simple strategy that anyone can use. But remember, like I said, this is not a financial advice. This is a personal strategy that I use to trade crypto, most especially in this bear market, to minimize risk and to maximize my profit. Okay, so after you are able to purchase at this low level, then you can prepare to sell once you see you are in a profit of like 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%. But it all depends on you. You can decide to sell at any percentage of your choice, from 1% to 5%. That is what I target in most cases. Okay, so this is what I have for you right on this update. Like this video, follow us if you are watching this video from TikTok, from Facebook, from our Instagram. Follow us right there. The link is going to be right on this video description, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Also, if you want to join our Signal platform, use the link right on this video description to reach out to me. I'll be there to respond to you.